Hey guys, it's Braxton with 209 Motorsports. Hey, got something fun for you today. We're going to take the new Kawasaki Ridge Screw and fit it in the new Genesis 275 CRXL. Really cool trailer, sleek six, big bedroom, big bathroom. Got TV, fireplace, 12-volt fridge. Good sized bathroom. Large bedroom. Now we'll run down to the new Kawasaki Ridge. Seats 5. Garmin GPS, stock 30-inch tires. Really cool color. We're gonna try to fit it in this trailer. Guys, back again. Turns out machine fits in there great. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 435-850-7618. Have a great day.